What's up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be demoing a 500-gram cake from Winda Fireworks called Artistic Pyro. It is a 45-shot cake. And check out this artwork. We got a little menace over here lighting up the sky, which we love. All right, so the performance is huge breaks of brocade crowns and gold willows with colored tips alternating with gorgeous angled red, green, purple, orange crossettes. Whoa, we got crossettes in this cake. That's awesome. An artistic and breathtaking cake. The colors go from gold, silver, green, red, blue, and orange. And it goes up about 165 feet, fanned and straight, and the noise level is 9 out of 10. 45 shots. I'm really excited to see how this cake does. But let's look underneath the hood. All right, so check it out. We got 2, 4, 6, 7 across, and then we got to the left, to the right, 7 vertical, to the left, to the right, 7 vertical again. So check that out. Total shot count is 45 shots, and this is by Winda Fireworks. We got this cake over there at Big D's fireworks store in Hawley, Pennsylvania, so make sure you check them out. Yeah, I'm pretty excited to see how this cake does. Remember, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment your thoughts down below. See you guys in a bit.